Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into one of the best Bluetooth single-DIN radios you can get your hands on, the Boss Audio Systems 616 UAB car stereo. If you're looking to upgrade your car's audio system without breaking the bank, this might just be the perfect option for you. The Boss Audio Systems 616 UAB is a single-DIN car stereo that's designed with convenience and quality in mind. First off, let's talk about its standout feature, Bluetooth. This means you can easily make hands-free calls, stream music from your smartphone, and control your apps like Spotify or Pandora, all wirelessly. It's all about convenience and safety, letting you stay connected while keeping your eyes on the road. This stereo is also MEC-less, meaning it doesn't have a CD or DVD player, but don't let that discourage you. The 616 UAB is all about digital media, so it's equipped with a USB port and an auxiliary input for seamless music streaming. Whether you're using a USB drive or connecting your MP3 player, the sound quality is top-notch. The USB port supports up to 32 GB of memory, so you have plenty of room for your entire music library. And that's not all. The Boss Audio 616 UAB gives you a range of customizable sound options. With its built-in preset EQ, you can easily tweak the audio settings to match your taste. Adjust the bass, treble, balance, and fader controls to get the sound profile you prefer. Plus, with front and rear preamp outputs, you can expand your audio system later with additional amps or signal processors. Installing this stereo is a breeze, thanks to the included installation brackets and harness. It's designed to fit snugly into any single DIN slot, which is a standard size in most vehicles. The dimensions are compact, measuring just 7.94 by 3.94 inches by 2.28. Whether you're upgrading an old car stereo or installing it in a new car, this unit will slide in without hassle. Another great feature is its versatility. The 616 UAB is equipped with both AM and FM radio, so if you're a fan of traditional radio, you're covered. The switchable US and European tuner means it's perfect for international use as well, giving you more flexibility no matter where you are. You can even access the radio station you love with its simple push-button interface. One of the things that stands out with this model is the wireless remote. You can easily control the stereo from a distance, adjusting the volume, changing tracks, and more, all from the comfort of your seat. Whether you're driving or just relaxing in the car, having that remote at hand makes managing your music a lot easier. Now, if you're worried about reliability, Boss Audio Systems has got you covered with a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind for years to come. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked in your driveway, the 616 UAB promises excellent audio performance and ease of use. To sum it up, the Boss Audio Systems 616 UAB is a solid choice if you're looking for a Bluetooth-enabled car stereo with all the essential features, without the unnecessary extras. It's compact, easy to install, and gives you great control over your car's audio system. If you're looking to make your car rides more enjoyable, this might just be the upgrade you've been searching for. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech and gadget reviews. Catch you next time.